Sairam children, welcome to online session. Let's continue with our chapter 7 variation. Now let's recall what we have studied in the previous session. Fill in the blanks. So you all are ready with your books and pen. You have to write only answers. First, in direct variation, dash is constant. Write only answer. In inverse variation, dash is constant. The equation form of direct variation is dash. The equation form of inverse variation is dash. So you have written the answers. Check your answers. First one is ratio. In direct variation, ratio is constant. In inverse variation, product is constant. Second answer is product. Third, equation form of direct variation is x is equal to ky or x upon y is equal to k. And the fourth one is equation form of direct variation, that is inverse variation. Fourth one, equation form of inverse variation is xy is equal to k or x is equal to k upon y. So these are the answers: ratio, product, x is equal to ky or xy is equal to k. So check the answers. Good. Next. Now we will continue with practice set 7.3. We have already started this first question in the previous session. Again, as a revision and all, we are starting from beginning. Which of the following statements are of inverse variation? And we have also studied in the previous session the relation between time, work and speed. Number of workers on a job and time taken by them to complete the job. Yes children, what is the answer? Inverse variation. It is inverse variation. The reason is as number of workers increases, time taken will decrease. And vice versa. If number of workers increase or number of workers decrease, time will increase. So it is inverse variation. In inverse variation, what we have studied? If one value increases, other decreases in the same proportion. Second, number of pipes of same size to fill a tank and the time taken by them to fill the tank. So again, it is an example of inverse variation. As number of pipes will increase, more the pipes, tank will get filled quickly. So the time taken will be less. It is an example of inverse variation. Petrol filled in the tank of a vehicle and is cost. When you go to fill the tank of your vehicle, that is more the quantity of petrol, more the liters, you have to pay more amount. So it is an example of direct variation, and we have studied previously. If one value increases, other increases, or one decreases, other decreases in same proportion, it is an example of direct variation. Area of circle and its radius. As radius increases or decreases, accordingly your area will change. Smaller the radius, area will be small, that is, and vice versa. So it is an example of direct variation. This we have studied in previous session and some were given to you as assignment. Now we will start with next question. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? It is a word problem. So we have to identify what is given. Number of workers 15. Time taken 48 hours. Now they are asking how many workers will be required. Time is 30 hours. So time is decreasing from 48 hours to 30 hours. So if time decreases, number of workers required will be more, because of the relation we have between the work and the time. So solution. Here we have to assign the variables. So here let the number of workers be W. I have taken W. You can take any alphabet from A to Z. So number of workers be W. and the time taken is t. Now we have to find which variation it is. Have they mentioned which variation? No. So we have to find. The reason is, as the number of workers increases, time taken to build the wall decreases, and vice versa. So it is an example of inverse variation. Now, if it is inverse variation, how we will write? W, we have taken W for workers and for time T. W varies inversely as time. So W, that is W varies inversely, and write W sign of variation and inversely, so 1 upon T. And this is inverse variation. So we have studied inverse variation. What is constant? Product is constant. So WT is equal to K. And what is K? K is constant of variation. Now we have to write the pair of values given. W is 15 workers, time 48. Substitute in the equation, that is 15 into 48 is K. Now you have to multiply. 48 multiplied by 15. So children, you have to multiply and get the answer. What answer you are getting? K is 720. So you have to multiply and check. Now we have got constant as 720. That is WT is 720. Now next pair is T is 30. We have to find the workers. W is question mark. Again what we will do? We will substitute in the equation. And equation is, yes, WT is equal to 720. In this equation we are substituting. W multiplied by 30. T is given 30 is equal to 720. Now what we will do? We have to find W. So 30 will go to other side of equality. It will become 720 upon 30. Now we have to do this calculation. 0, 0 cut, or they both are multiples of 10. So you will get 72 upon 3. Now you divide 72 by 3. 3 2s are 6. Then 1 and 2, that is 12, 14. Direct division you can do, or ordinary division. Divide 72 divide by 3. And the answer we are getting is 24. Answer is 24. Now this answer we have to write in statement. Is a word problem. So answer is 24 workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours. You have to write in full statement. 24 workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours. Next question. 120 bags, that is 120 bags of half-liter milk can be filled by a machine within 3 minutes. Find the time taken to fill 1800 such bags. So what is given? 120 bags of half-liter milk, and they can be filled by a machine in 3 minutes. And what we have to find? We have to find the time taken to build such 1800 bags. Now again it is a word problem. So we have to write the variables for that. So let B be the number of bags. So we have taken let B be the number of bags of half-liter milk and T be the time taken to fill such bags. So which letter we have taken here for bags? B, and time T. Now we know as the number of bags increases, time taken to fill them also increases, because if more bags you will take to fill, you require more time. So it is an example of direct variation, because we have studied one value increases, other increases, or one value decreases, other decreases in same proportion. It is an example of direct variation. So here it is not mentioned which variation it is. we have to identify and find from the given information. Now, as it is direct variation, how we write direct variation? B varies directly as T. So, B and the symbol of varies T. And now we have to change into equation. So, B varies will change to equal to, equality. So, B is equal to KT. Now, what is K? K is constant of variation. So, we have formed the equation B is equal to KT. K is constant of variation. Now, we will write the values given. What are the values given? B is equal to 120 and T is 3. This we are going to substitute in the equation. In place of B, 120 is equal to K. In place of T, 3. Now, what we will do is, we will form the equation. 3 will go to other side of equality. So, 120 divided by 3 is equal to K. Now, divide 120 by 3. Answer is 40, because we know 3 4s are 12 and it is 120. So, 40. K is 40. Here we have got constant and that is K is 40. Now, what we will do is, B is equal to 40T. This is the equation we have got. B is equal to 40T. Now, next pair of values. What is given? When B is 1800, find T. Now, B is given 1800 and we have to find the time taken. Now, what we will do? We will substitute in the equation. This equation, we are substituting the values. 1800 is equal to 40T. Now, what we will do? We will take 40 to the other side of equality. So, multiplication will become, yes, division. 1800 divided by 40. Both are multiples of 10. So, directly we can say 0, 0. As we say commonly, 0, 0 cut. So, they are both are multiples of 10. So, the answer you will get is 180 divided by 4. Now, directly you can divide 180 by 4. Then you will get 4 4s are 16. And then 2 remainder, so this 20. Directly you can do, you will get 45. Or you can also reduce it to lowest term. T is equal to 180 divided by 4. Both are even numbers. They can be divisible by 2. So 90 upon 2. And 90 upon 2 is 45. So calculation depends on you. You can direct calculate it or reduce it to lowest form. And then the answer is 45 minutes. 45. This answer is to be written in statement. They are word problems. So 1800 bags can be filled in 45 minutes. Answer is 1800 bags can be filled in 45 minutes. So what we have studied is, first from the information find which variation it is. Then accordingly you write which variation. Change into equation, substitute the values, get K constant, write equation and solve. Next question. A car with speed 60 km per hour. Speed of the car is 60 km per hour. Takes 8 hours to travel some distance. What should be the increase in the speed? See, the question asks, what should be increase in the speed if the same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours? So, speed of the car is 60 km per hour. Time taken is 8. And now we have to find increase in speed. They have not asked us to find the speed. They have asked us to find increase in speed if the same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours. So, what we are going to do? Solution. First, we are going to assign the value variable. Let the speed be s. Time taken by is t. So, solution. Let the speed of the car be s. Time taken to travel be t. And we know we can take any variable. Now, we have to find which variation it is. Which variation it is? As the time taken to travel decreases, because first it was given 8 hours, now it is 7.5 hours. So time decreases, speed increases. And it is an example of inverse variation. One increasing, one decreasing. So we have to find. And we have also studied there's a relation between time and speed. And the distance is same. So it is an example of inverse variation. Now this we have to write using the symbol of variation. So for speed we have taken S. Varies, symbol of varies, and it is inverse. So 1 upon T. It is S varies inversely. S symbol of varies 1 upon T. Now this we will write in the form of equation. So it is St is equal to K, because in inverse variation product is constant. St is equal to K. What is K? K is constant of variation. Now the values which have been given. S is 60. Time taken is T. These values we will substitute in the equation. St is equal to K. S 60 multiplied by 8. So 60 multiplied by 8, answer is 480. 6 8s are 48 and it is 60. So 480. K is 480. Now the equation of variation formed is St is equal to 480. So this is our equation of variation. Now in equation of variation, next values we are going to substitute. Next pair of the values is given is time is 7.5 hours. Now it is 7.5 hours. It is a mixed fraction. So we are going to write in Burger fraction. How we do it? 2 multiplied by 7. 2 7s are 14 plus 1. So it is 15 upon 2. This value of T 7.5 hours is 15 upon 2. And we have to find S. Now what we are going to do these values? Substitute in equation. Equation is St is equal to K. S we have to find. And T, it is 15 upon 2. We have solved that 7.5 is 15 upon 2. Now what we will do? We have to find S. So S is equal to 480. 15 upon 2 will go to other side of equality and it will become the reciprocal you have to take. 15 upon 2 will become 2 upon 15. So 480 multiplied by 2 upon 15. Now what we are going to do? 480 multiplied by 2, it is upon 15. So 480 divided by 15. You can do direct division or reduce it. Here I have taken direct division. We know that 15 2s are, that is 30, 15 3s are 45. So it is 3. And 48 minus 43, you can do direct calculation. Then it is 30, then 15 2s are. Or children you do directly. Divide by 15. So it is 32. 480 divided by 15 is 32. Multiply by 2. Now 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. Now speed of the car is 64 km per hour. Because S is 64. Speed of the car 64 km per hour. But have they asked the speed? No, they have asked increase in speed. Earlier the speed was 60. Now it is 64. So increase in speed is, what we have to do? Subtract. 64 minus 60 is equal to 4 km per hour. 64 minus 60, 4, and unit is kilometer per hour. So answer we have to write in statement. Increase in speed is equal to 64 minus 60 is equal to 4 km per hour. So here in this sum also what we have done? Write the values, write the variables taken, find the variation, find the K, equation, and solve, write statement, answer in statement as they have asked. So here we have finished exercise 7.3. Now this is an assignment question which you are going to do on your own. And the question is, a vehicle running at a speed of 48 km per hour takes 6 hours to complete the journey. How much time will be taken to complete the journey if its speed is 72 km per hour? So what is given is speed of the vehicle. A vehicle running at a speed 48 km per hour. And it takes time 6 hours to complete the journey. It means the journey is fixed. How much time will be taken to complete the journey? That is same journey if its speed is 72 km per hour. So you will be able to do the sum how we have done previous sums. So you can take any variable, let the speed be s, or you can take x, the time taken be t or y accordingly. Then write the reason. Now here the which reason it is? Its speed increases, then time taken will decrease, inverse variation. And accordingly you are going to write s varies inversely st and write in the form using symbol. Substitute the values given in place of x 48, then time 6 and solve and find the answer. Answer should be given in first statement. Thank you children. Here we will conclude our session, our this chapter variation, that is chapter 7 variation is completed. So we are going to revise what we have done previously and do the practice sets. Thank you. We'll again conclude here, start in the next one.